How to send a fax using Microsoft Outlook. Even in an age dominated by digital communication, it's still useful to know how to send a fax, especially when dealing with certain businesses or legal documents. The good news is you can send a fax directly from your Outlook account without a physical fax machine. Here's how. First, open your Microsoft Outlook desktop application. At the top left corner, click New Email to open a blank email form. This is where you'll prepare your fax. In the To field, instead of entering an email address, type the fax number you want to send your document to. Then add the designated server address at esend.com. This step enables Outlook to convert your email into a fax. Think of it like dialing the full sequence of a phone number. You need it complete for the connection to work. Next, fill in the subject line. This is just like a normal email, and it's helpful to give the recipient a brief idea of what your fax contains. Now attach your document using the Attach File option, just like you would with any email. Make sure the file is in the correct format and double-check for any errors or extra pages. Clarity is especially important when sending a fax. Once everything is ready, click Send. Your email will be converted into a fax and delivered to the recipient's fax machine seamlessly, without ever needing a physical fax device. And that's it! You've successfully sent a fax using Microsoft Outlook. Following these steps carefully ensures a smooth process whether you're sending contracts, legal documents, or business communications. Thanks for watching, and happy faxing!